To my YouTube channel. Today I will going to show you how to create many videos as a one video in Windows 10 without downloading any software. First go to search bar in the menu and search video editor, and there's a app, then choose it. When you go to this app, you can see there's a square named new video project, then click on it. There you have to name your video, then click OK. From this button you have to add videos. You can add videos from PC and your collection. Then add videos. Add another video. Like this, you can add any number of videos if you want. Then select all the videos you have selected. Then click on place in the storyboard. These all three videos have aim as a one video, and there you have finish video. There you can change your video quality. Then click on export. There you have to choose a place to export video. Then click on export. Wait while exporting video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.